Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samiullah Khan 92. Today my video is about Zamil thermostat. It's a Zamil package unit thermostat, and today my topic is how to change the degree Celsius temperature to degree Fahrenheit temperature in this thermostat. So let's see how we can change this this it's showing now 23 degrees Celsius. I'll show you how to change it to degree Fahrenheit. This is the mode button of this thermostat. You can see it's on cool mode. Now when we press it again, it will go to heat, auto, off. So we want cooling, so we keep it on cool. This is the up and down temperature buttons. So we press both of them, up and down button, it will change to degree Fahrenheit. You can see now 76 degree Fahrenheit. Before it was 26 degrees Celsius, and now we press it again, then you can see again back to 24 degree Celsius. You can increase and decrease your temperature from these buttons, and also you can change the temperature from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So this is the simple method of Zamil thermostat, how to change it from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Wait for the next video. We'll meet in the next video inshallah. Thank you very much.